Welcome to the video journal of S Hotel Boston for year 4 and 5. S Hotel management team decided to keep the same strategy as year 3 since it already gave us a very good result. According to the scorecard, we got the first position for a lot of segments for year 4. However, when it turned to year 5, the market becomes more competitive. Since we don't have many competitive advantage over other competitors, especially in terms of facility and service, it was more difficult for us, but we still managed to rank the first among 5 hotels. The management team will now explain in more detail what did we do during year 4 and 5.
Hello, I'm the manager of room department. So we successfully adjust our room pricing strategy for each quarter, given that the total RevPAR is always ranked at the first place in both year 4 and year 5. It also indicates that by the efforts from all the departments, our hotel could attract more customers than others, which could generate expanded revenue, making us be the most profitable hotel in the whole market. For the refurbishment of last 2 years, we just maintain all the staff to be basically clean to make sure we have maximum number of staff to be under operations in order to increase our revenue as much as possible. At the first quarter of year 5, all of the 3 index were much lower than 100 due to the wrong pricing adjustment. But it became better in the remaining quarters, where the occupancy kept increasing as well as the RevPAR. Therefore, such positive performance leads us to be the number 1 at the end of this competition.
Hello, I'm the manager of the F&B department. For the result of year 4, we did more efforts on refurbishment of F&B restaurant, and we got increased income on F&B department, which shows the number of nearly $1.8 million for the end of the year 4. And until the newest quarter in year 4, we have 24% of food market share and 25% of beverage market share. For the result of year 5, we did much more advertising on F&B department, and with the increase of the room occupancy, we got higher revenue on F&B, which shows the number of 2.3 million at the end of the year 5, and we also had 24% of food market share and 25% of beverage market share.
Here is Sales and Marketing Department in S Hotel. For year 4, our room market share was always ranking in 2nd or 3rd position. We adopt the strategy of saving advertising budget in order to increase the net profit and ROE. On the other hand, our F&B market share maintained the first place due to we set up the right price and invest additional facilities such as lobby bar in the early stage. Also, we managed to maintain such performance for year 5. For year 5, our hotel has an unstable performance in terms of room market share. We found out our hotel get influenced because 3 other hotels changed their pricing strategy. They charge room rate for weekend higher than weekdays. Therefore, our room market share dropped from 3 to 4.
I'm the HR manager. For year 4, we keep the same salary for the employees since it's already the lowest among 5 hotels. However, for year 5, in order to maximize the profit and meet the ROE expectation, we again reduced the salary for some staffs. For both quarters, we increase the staffing level during the high season and reduce it during low season. By doing this way, we can be sure that we get a good guest satisfaction even though we pay the least.
Hello everyone, I'm the financial manager in S Hotel. I will briefly introduce our operations based on our business details in last 2 years. In these 2 years, we had mastered the rules of hotel operation and management. Especially our operation was stable and we had made good use of off-season and high season to create more profits for our hotel. All of our data have been improved to varying degrees compared to previous years, particularly significant in terms of profit, revenue, and ROE. This series of improvements had enabled us to reach the return requirements of the hotel owners in 5 years. I believe that we will get more return if our team continually improves the operational management. Thank you.